And flood warnings are also in effect for 9 Indiana counties, including Jackson, Knox, Lawrence, and Owen counties. There was also a car found there submerged in water on the street. But what a different scene that we are seeing here right now. It doesn't mean that rain isn't in the forecast, though. Right now, just some clouds. It's looking really beautiful.
Yeah, the clouds are really starting to break up. You can see that even some little bit of shine there on one of the buildings because the sun glistening there.
It looks pretty, doesn't it? And today we have so many concerts going on downtown, but those could be a little wet.
A little bit wet, but not as wet as we were this morning or even yesterday where we had a lot of heavy rain. A lot of that starting to taper off quite a bit, but we still have a chance of some light showers through the evening. In fact, some areas may even see a few wet snowflakes mixed in. I know, crazy, right? It's April. But here's a look at live Doppler 13 radar. The heavy rain starting to push off to east central Indiana right now. And here's a look at our satellite radar. We've had that pocket of heavy rain moving off to the east, but notice off to our west, we still have some more rain to contend with as this will push in over the course of the next several hours into the early evening. So we'll be watching out for that as it moves in a little bit closer. But all in all, it's pretty quiet right now in central Indiana. 55 degrees in Indianapolis, 57 in Greencastle, 57 in Lafayette, and 53 in Muncie. Now temperatures are going to slowly fall. The winds are going to shift out of the north today, and it will be cooler by late afternoon. But here's a look at some of our rainfall totals. 3,707 inch in Columbus, almost 1 inch of rain in Bedford. And now this is since midnight last night. Seymour over 1 inch and a half an inch in Trafalgar. So the heavy rain has been along and south of I-70. Currently it's 55 degrees. Winds are on to the north at 8 miles per hour. And check out our HD Sky Cam. It's starting to clear out a bit, but we'll likely see those clouds building right back in. It will be a pretty damp Friday, a bit dreary here and there, and a bright and beautiful holiday weekend is what we are shaping up to be. So hang on there. It's going to be beautiful this weekend. The mild air is actually going to stick around through next week, but we're also going to be dealing with a very unsettled weather pattern where we're tracking more rain. And here's a look at your afternoon forecast. Temperatures will slowly fall into the low 50s and upper 40s in some locations this afternoon as we'll see those temperatures slowly fall. Here's a look at future track 13. Still some waves of light rain will continue throughout the afternoon on into the evening, and then a lot of that will start to disperse. We'll see those clouds really breaking up. The winds out of the north will help bring in some of that drier air, so that will help clear things out quite a bit. As far as our rainfall potential goes the rest of the evening, maybe a few hundredths of an inch. Pockets of heavier rain still possible along that Bloomington, Columbus, and Greensburg line, but still not expecting a whole lot to add on to the heavy rain that we've had over the past 24 hours. Tonight temperatures will fall to 30 degrees. Winds will be out of the northwest. It will be breezy tonight, 10 to 25 miles per hour. And then as we head into tomorrow, we'll start off chilly, but we'll see those temperatures rebounding quickly tomorrow afternoon into the low 50s. It will be breezy during the day tomorrow, so we'll still keep those wind chill values in the low to mid 40s throughout the afternoon. So here's a look at your forecast for tomorrow. Temperatures climb to around 54 degrees. Those winds will be turning out of the west southwest. And here's a look at your SkyTrak 13 forecast. Yes, we have to deal with the rain today, but notice this weekend just beautiful. On Easter Sunday, we'll start off at 38 degrees. Temperatures rebound to 63 degrees. But as we head into the rest of the work week, we have the temperatures in the mid 60s and near 70 on Tuesday, but we are going to be dealing with scattered showers at least by Monday night, continuing into Tuesday, Wednesday, on into Friday at this point. Naomi?